Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your printer on Windows using HP Smart step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your printer is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Open the HP Smart app on your Windows computer. If you haven't installed the HP Smart app yet, visit the Microsoft Store and download it. Once the app is open, you will see a welcome screen. Click on the option that says Add Printer. The app will begin searching for available printers on the network. Wait for a few moments while the app locates your printer. When your printer appears in the list, click on it to select it. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the connection process. You may be asked to sign in or create an HP account for printer registration. If prompted, enter your HP account credentials or create a new account. Once signed in, the app will guide you through registering your printer. Provide any necessary information, such as your printer model and location. After entering the required details, click on the Register button. The app will confirm your printer registration after a successful submission. Your printer should now be added to the HP Smart app and ready for use. Explore additional features in the app, such as scanning and printing options. You have successfully registered your printer on Windows using HP Smart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.